Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 drum sets. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. To start things off, let's take a look at the Alesis Drum Surge Mesh. Express Yourself Quiet Electric Drum Kit with 10 dual-zone mesh snare, 8 dual-zone mesh toms, 8 mesh kick drum, 10 hi-hat, 10 crash and ride with choke, and a sturdy adjustable drum rack. In Demand Sounds The Surge Special Edition electronic drum module includes 385 drum sounds and 40 kits, 60 play-along music tracks and a metronome to help build timing and accuracy. Bobby from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "Fantastic kit for the money. Great sounds, easy to set up." Our next product comes highly recommended, the Asmuse Electronic Drum Set. Easy operation. Simplify monitor of the module, provide 12 drum sound kits and 242 sounds with our electric drum set. Real percussion hand-feeling Spikel mesh snare drum in 8-inch comes with rim shot function. Full creativity. A UX input and USB MIDI output help you create your own beats and music. Stuart from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "Yeah, very good." Isaiah from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "Nice pad, nothing to envy to the bigger brands, really happy about my purchase." Kareem from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "We purchased this for our 16-year-old heavy metal lover. Everyone in household and neighborhood appreciates the headphone feature. Easy to assemble. Works as expected." Darcy from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "This was perfect for my son and daughter to practice on. The only thing is the headphones broke within a week, but I just bought new ones. The sound is amazing and it's a great price." Next up we have the Donner Electronic Drum Set. 7 drum sets, 1 snare, 1 crash, 1 ride, 1 hi-hat, and 3 toms, 12 demonstration songs, and 9 accompaniments were set up to accommodate the needs of performance and entertainment. 2.2W stereo dual speakers. The DED-20 electric drum pad has 2 fantastic stereo speakers that deliver the powerful, impactful sound you want. The volume of the electric drum set can be adjusted to 9 different levels and you can adjust the volume according to your needs. 180s long recording function can record a drummer's moment of inspiration and enhance their creative potential. Quiet, no worry from noise. Donner electronic drum pad is made of high-quality soft silicone, which can reduce the noise when drumming. Clay from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "Bought for my husband's STEM classroom. The kids loved it." Next up we have the Donner DED-80 electronic drum. It comes with 4x6 mesh drum pads, 3x10 cymbals with a full strike zone, a tough metal frame, drum module, drum throne, drumsticks, headphones, and all cables needed. The Donner electric drum kit can help you practice to become an excellent drummer. Industry standard mesh heads. The DED-80 electric drum set comes with double-layered, high-density mesh drumheads that provide a long-lasting and realistic playing experience. Powerful educational function. This beginner drum kit is loaded with powerful educational features, including a drum coach, 30 accompaniment tracks, and fun exercises that help beginners improve their playing skills and enjoy every note. All the sounds you need. The Donner DED-80 electronic drum set uses intelligent dynamic clarity technology to provide realistic sounds and fun playability. Diamond from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "Ry nice set, lovely sound, perfect gift." To round out the video, our final product is the Alesis Turbo Mesh Kit. Premium 7-piece drum set, 8 mesh snare drum and 8 mesh toms, 10 cymbals and custom-designed Alesis hi-hat pedal kick pedal. Packed with sounds, turbo drum module with 10 ready-to-play classic and modern drum kits, 30 play-along tracks and 100+ expertly curated sounds. Powerful educational features, 30 built-in play-along tracks, metronome, AUX input and drum coach help to hone and develop your drum skills. Everything you need, sturdy steel rack, connection cables, drum sticks, drum key and power supply included. Alvin from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "The hardest part to get used to is the kick and hi-hat pedals, compared to acoustic kits." Jamie from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "The kick takes a little getting used to, especially with a double bass lick on that single pedal. There's not a ton of kit options and a couple are useless imho, but the few that are good, sound really natural during recording." Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 drum sets. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.